Today, I'm taking a deep dive into phpList, an open-source email marketing solution that's been around for quite some time. If you're looking for an alternative to expensive SaaS email marketing platforms, this might be an option worth considering. I'll go over everything you need to know, how it works, its features, and whether it's the right tool for your email campaigns. Starting with the setup, phpList is self-hosted, which means you need to install it on your server. Unlike cloud-based email marketing platforms, this gives you full control over your data and emails. However, this also means that you need some technical knowledge to get everything up and running. The installation process involves setting up a database, configuring the software, and integrating it with your email sending system. It's not as simple as signing up for a service like MailChimp or ConvertKit, but if you're comfortable with hosting, it's manageable. Once installed, phpList offers a range of features for email list management. You can create campaigns, segment your audience, and schedule emails. The campaign editor is fairly basic compared to modern drag-and-drop builders, but it gets the job done. You can import email lists, manage subscribers, and track campaign performance. However, the interface feels a bit outdated, and navigating through the settings can be overwhelming for beginners. One of the biggest advantages of phpList is that it doesn't impose sending limits based on a pricing model. Since you're hosting it yourself, you don't have to worry about monthly subscription fees increasing as your email list grows. This makes it an appealing choice for businesses that send out high volumes of emails and want to avoid the cost of mainstream email marketing services. However, deliverability can be a challenge. Unlike services that manage email sending for you, phpList requires you to set up your own mail server or use an external SMTP provider. If you don't configure it properly, your emails might end up in spam folders, which can severely impact your marketing efforts. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. phpList includes basic automation features, allowing you to send autoresponders and trigger emails based on user actions. While it's not as advanced as tools like ActiveCampaign or HubSpot, it's functional for simple email sequences. The reporting and analytics section provides insights into email open rates, click-through rates, and bounces. However, the data visualization isn't as detailed as what you find on more polished platforms. Another aspect to consider is support. Because phpList is open source, you won't get dedicated customer support like you would with paid services. There's a community forum and documentation available, but troubleshooting issues can be time-consuming, especially if you're not experienced with server-side configurations. In terms of security, since you're managing the software yourself, you need to handle updates and maintenance to keep your installation secure. This is a critical point because outdated email marketing software can be a target for spam attacks and security vulnerabilities. If you're not comfortable managing updates and patches yourself, this could become a headache. So, is phpList worth it? If you're looking for a cost-effective email marketing tool and have the technical skills to maintain it, phpList can be a powerful solution. It's particularly suited for businesses and organizations that need to send large volumes of emails without paying for expensive email marketing plans. However, if you prefer a user-friendly experience with built-in email deliverability and automation, you might find the learning curve too steep. Overall, phpList is a solid option for those who want complete control over their email marketing and don't mind handling the technical aspects. But if ease of use and advanced features are priorities for you, you might want to look at alternatives. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you used phpList before? Share your experience below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews.